I don't know about you guys, but I do not like to feel like I cannot accomplish something. So I'm going to go back to work today. A few days ago, I tried to smoke some cheese and I failed miserably. So today, I'm going to try again. Today, I'm going to use my Weber kettle. Not going to do anything crazy. Let me show you guys the setup. So we have about 7 briquettes right there. We have little wood chunks on there. These first 2 briquettes are half lit, and we're gonna see how we can get some smoke. And we're gonna have the gauge over the hot side, and this side here is gonna be opposite, right over the cheese. Now for now, we're gonna keep both vents wide open. Now listen, I don't even love cheese, but the mere fact that I failed means that I have to try again, because you cannot fail. Okay? No failing. Now we got a little bit of smoke, so let's get this party started. So it's been about 30 minutes. Got a little bit of smoke. All right, so we're gonna see what it do. So we got a little bit of smoke there, and we got our water with some ice, trying to help keep that cool. We got 3 little blocks of cheese. We're gonna see how it do. I'm gonna bring the bottom vents down about halfway. 45 minutes to an hour. Let's see what we do. So 2 hours in, we got our smoked cheese. Okay. Hey, let me show you what my setup looks like. So y'all can see it is still smoking. I wanted you guys to be able to see that. My temperature did not even get up to 100 degrees. Right here is just warm. On this side, no heat at all. It's amazing. So currently burning the 4th briquette right now, and 3 are unlit. So this was a success. Listen, man, I was not gonna go buy a smoke tube to mess around with smoked cheese. You know what I mean? I personally don't love cheese, and I don't know if my wife is gonna love smoked cheese. So I don't want to like invest into it and then, all that stuff. So I wanted to do it using what I had around the house, and I think using just those briquettes for 2 hours, just some smoke. Big brain, boy. All right, follow for more. Thank you.